So now, what is wrong with me? What am I carrying? You may ask. We'll stop asking it and start asking instead what you understand that some of what you're carrying isn't originally yours. When you understand that, something softens, something you can take a pause, take a breath, and you can stop asking that, what's wrong with me? Because there isn't something wrong with you. And start asking, what is it that I might be carrying from previous generations? Where did this pattern come from? What is it? What might be in me that would like to be healed? Not looking at it as something that's wrong or something that's broken or something, leave out the judgment, leave out the criticism, but just see something that's not helpful or useful to you in your life. That shift, the shift from shame or contempt to curiosity, is everything. And it takes you out of self blame, which is really not helpful, and it takes you into exploration and curiosity. And because you can't heal what you're busy judging, we need to access the forgotten codes, which we'll cover in the next video. And I'll see you there. Bye for now.